Hello everyone, this is my review of this privacy screen for your laptop or computer monitor. I got the 14-inch one, which is double-sided. One side of it is for gloss protection, the other side is matted for anti-glare. It also comes with a webcam cover so you can have privacy and cover up your webcam. There's two ways you can install this privacy screen. You can adhere it to the screen with the adhesive and have it there kind of permanent, or you can use the tabs where you can slide it in and out and turn it around if you want to. And that's the way I'm going to install it on my computer here now. Okay, I already installed the slide tabs, so now I can just slide on to the computer and I can slide back off and turn it around so whichever side I want it to be on. Now here's the before and now here's the after. I hope this review helps.